Welcome to this video resource to help you practice the mindfulness strategies shared in the Wellness Begins With Me workshop.
Keep watching to practice the guided meditation. The half-sun salutation and 3 collective breaths are covered in other videos.
We hope these strategies will help you create wellness in your personal and professional lives.
Meditation is a tool that can be used to be mindful and reflective through increasing awareness, encouraging reflection and enhancing mind-body connection. Settle into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or soften your gaze and connect to the natural flow of your breath. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine yourself in a state of wellness that includes your body, your mind, your emotions, and your relationships. How would your life look in this state of wellness? What would it sound like? How would you feel? Which aspects of your life would be the same? Which aspects of your life would be different? Continue to breathe deeply and really let yourself imagine a life of wellness. Now inhale and exhale. Take your deepest breath so far and hold. Now sigh it out. Slowly come back into the present moment, and when you are ready, open your eyes.
Thank you for practicing the guided meditation. Check out the other videos to practice the half-sun salutation and 3 collective breaths.